Hi guys and welcome back to Guide Nation. Today I'm going to show you how to join Epic Trading Affiliate program. In order to do this, first of all navigate to any browser on your PC. Then go to the search bar and type in Join Epic Trading Affiliate program and hit enter. After you type in Epic Trading Affiliate program and hit enter, you'll be promoted to some search results. Now under these search results, you'll have to navigate to www.daytrading.com's affiliate program link. So click on this trading affiliate programs and you'll be promoted to this page. Now this page says trading affiliate programs allow website owners and content creators to develop partnership with the online trading brokers to make money through referrals. Use this guide to understand the meaning of your trading affiliate programs and how pricing and setup works and how to choose the best provider for your website or platform. We have also listed the best finance affiliate programs in 2024 to help you get started today. So in order to start affiliate program with the top trading companies, you'll have to simply click on the visit button just after their name and you will be promoted to their page where you can simply start trading by clicking on the visit button. Now you can click on become a partner and you will see this page where you'll have to register and create a new account and join their trading affiliate program. So that's how you can join Epic Trading Affiliate program. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will see you in the next video.